Good morning everyone! Hello Atomians! Good morning dun sa mga bago natin na members. Congratulations! This time, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano tayo bibili sa site ng Global Mall. Using our ID and password, magla-login ka lang and then i-click mo tong sign in. And then after na lumabas na tong ating page, makikita nyo dito sa ating left side, sa taas, sa tabi ng pangalan na Atomy, i-click nyo lang and makikita ninyo yung ATG Mall. Yan. Atomy Global Mall. I-click mo lang tong link na to, makikita ninyo magpa-pop up, select your shipping location. So nandito tayo sa Italy, i-click lang natin tong Italy and then ship from. I-click mo lang siya, dalawa yung pagpipilian, may all at saka yung South Korea. So i-click natin yung South Korea. And yun sa currency, pwede kang pumili ng United States, yung US dollar, or yung ating monetary na European Union na euro. And then, i-click mo lang yung confirm. And that's it. Nandito na tayo sa loob ng site ng Global Mall. So makikita nyo dito, naka-line up yung mga new arrival na products. Kung gusto ninyong pumasok doon, makita yung lahat ng mga products ng health and about sa beauty, about sa hair and body, living, food, fashion, and others. So, i-click natin beauty. Example natin sa beauty, so nandyan yung skincare, yung makeup, dyan yung makikita. O example natin yung sa face, kasi ito yung mabiling-mabili lagi sa atin na cushion. So, scroll down ka lang pababa and iselect natin itong cushion. Adelica, the new gold collagen ample cushion. I-click mo lang yung product, lagay natin sa ating cart. So, yan, adjust ka lang kung ilan yung bibilhin mo. Example, gawin natin 3. Um, then add to cart. Pag na-click mo na yung add to cart, magpa-pop up dyan, only members can order. Do you want to move to the login page? Ayan, ilalagay ko lang yung ID number ko and yung password and then i-click ko na yung login. So after you log in, balik na ulit tayo dito sa site. Makikita mo na ulit yung ating product before. So ngayon, itry natin na mag-add to cart and tatanungin ka, you have added the selected product to your shopping cart. Would you like to go to your shopping cart? Yes, continue lang tayo sa pag-shopping kasi scroll ka lang ulit pataas. And for example, dito naman tayo sa health. So, i-click ko lang yung health at dito ko din binibili yung collagen. Gusto natin bilhin is 2 and then add to cart. Then tatanungin ka ulit, you have added the selected product. So, click mo lang yung continue shopping. Balik ka na ulit sa taas and then i-click mo lang yung food. Mag-add tayo ng 2 and add to cart. Pull up ka lang and then makikita mo na yun sa taas, right side, yung nakasulat na on, tapos may cart. Makikita natin na may 2 products tayo na nandun na sa loob, which is, ayan, shopping cart. At bandang baba, total, nakasulat dyan, KRW, which is 170,000 Korean won, na ang equivalent sa euro is 118. And then, yung katabi is yung ating total points, which is 54,600 PV. So, just click lang yung checkout. And then magpa-pop up, you can still purchase the products. However, additional tax may be charged when it is imported. So, pwede ka pa daw mag-order kasi yung maximum order na pwede nating bilhin is nasa 230,000 KRW, Korean won. So yung total to pay is 152 euro. Bakit? 118 euro yung ating total na binili plus yung shipping fee na 34 euro. And then scroll down, makikita mo yung sales date which is yung date today. Information of orderer, so kung sino yung umu-order, nandun yung pangalan niya, yung kanyang member ID. So i-add mo, nandun na rin yung kanyang mobile phone, SNS ID. So iselect mo lang yung WhatsApp and then ulitin mo lang yung cellphone number mo. And then scroll down, recipient. So, same as order. Kumbaga, kung meron ka na dyan na address mo, so automatic mailalagay niya yung address. Scroll down lang ako. Status of receive. Would you like to receive the progress of your order via email? Yes. So, lagi ko siyang marireceive yung tracking ng FedEx. Scroll down tayo. Enter payment information. So, dito sa payment method, credit card, lagi kong pinipili is Vserve. Check before ordering. So, lahat lalagyan ko lang siya ng check. Pwede na nating i-click yung order. Wala, hindi naman tayo nag-exceed doon sa limit ng order. So, i-click mo lang okay. It is just a reminder. And then next, makikita ninyo agad itong page na to, place order. Nandyan na lahat yung summary ng ating information. Kung sino yung nag-order, kung sa aking address ipadadala, and yung payment information, which is 118 euro, then shipping fee natin is 34 euro for the total of 150 euro. And then, nandun na rin yung equivalent na Korean won. After that, i-click mo lang yung order. So, and another pop-up, same pop-up lang din. You can still purchase. It's just a reminder na hindi tayo nag-exceed sa limit ng order. And then, so i-click mo lang to. Okay. Automatic, lalabas na yung ating mode of payment. This is all about yung credit card payment natin. Yung amount na 219,120, nasa Korean won pa siya. Later, i-convert natin sa euro. So, regarding sa card number, mag-insert lang ako ng first 4 digit na hulaan lang natin, kunwari. So, dito kailangan ninyong mag-digit direct. Hula lang ako ng for another 4 number. And then valid true, i-click mo lang yung kung ano yung nakasulat sa card mo. Hulaan natin, kunwari 2030. And after that, mababasa mo dito, the card you have input can be converted into other currency. Choose the currency preferred. So, yung OPT na nakasulat, i-click ko lang siya sa euro. Makikita ko na dyan, nagpalit na, yung amount niya is naging 154.35 euro. So, it is already converted. Yan na yung makikita ko na payment ko na kukuhanin sa aking bank account. And after this, na malagay mo lahat ng mga details, just click next. Sa akin ngayon, hindi ko na pwede siyang ituloy kasi mali-mali naman yung information na nilagay ko. And makikita ninyo, just follow the instruction later. And then that is the last step para sa order natin dito sa global site. So thank you everyone. Message lang kayo for those questions na mga dapat nating i-clear about sa pag-order dito sa global site. And I'm here to help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.